Vacuum sealers in 2025 aren't just for bulk meat and freezer bags. They're smarter, faster, and more versatile than ever. Whether you're meal prepping, sous vide cooking, or just trying to keep your groceries fresher longer, we tested the top models to see which ones actually deliver. From compact countertop units to commercial-grade chamber beasts, here's what's sealing the deal this year. Nesco Deluxe Food vs. 12 Vacuum Sealer. This compact countertop model punches above its weight. With 130 watts of power, it delivers strong suction and features dry, moist, and double seal modes for different food types. The built-in bag cutter and roll storage make it super convenient, and the viewing lid helps you align bags perfectly. It's beginner-friendly but durable enough for frequent use. Want a reliable sealer with pro-level features at a home-friendly price? Check the description for specs and current deals. VEVOR Chamber Vacuum Sealer. This is a commercial-grade chamber sealer built for serious food preservation. It handles liquids, marinades, and delicate items with ease thanks to its 6.5 cbm per hour pump rate and customizable vacuum seal cool cycles. It's bulkier and heavier than suction models, but if you're sealing meats, soups, or prepping for sous vide at scale, this is the powerhouse you want. Need industrial strength for your kitchen or small business? Tap the description for full specs and pricing. Mueller Living Vacuum Sealer Machine, compact, affordable, and surprisingly versatile. This model includes LED indicators, a starter kit with bags and roll, and modes for preserve, marinate, and sous vide. It's ideal for beginners or casual users who want to extend shelf life without overcomplicating things. Looking for a budget-friendly starter that still gets the job done? Check the description for availability and bundle options. FoodSaver Elite All-in-One Liquid Vacuum Sealer. This premium model is built to handle wet foods and liquids without making a mess. It features automatic moisture detection, a pulse function for delicate items, and a liquid tray to catch overflow. It's perfect for sous vide prep, marinating, or sealing juicy cuts of meat. Want a vacuum sealer that handles liquids like a pro? Hit the description for specs and current pricing. Bonsenkitchen 4-in-1 Vacuum Sealer Machine. This sleek, compact unit offers multiple sealing modes, an accessory hose for jars and containers, and a user-friendly interface. It's great for everyday use and supports both dry and moist sealing. The precision control makes it a solid pick for portioning, meal prep, and sous vide. Need a space-saving multitasker? Check the description for features and current deals. So whether you're sealing leftovers, prepping for sous vide, or stocking up for the week, these vacuum sealers bring serious value to the kitchen. We tested them for suction power, ease of use, and real-world versatility, so you don't have to guess. Check the description for links, specs, and the best Prime Day prices we could find. Hit like if your food storage game just leveled up, and subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews. Got a favorite sealer or one you want us to test next? Drop it in the comments. We're always ready to seal the deal.